So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another human hair wig review. So okay, I'm really excited to do this review because I absolutely love this wig. Okay, it really didn't take me too long to install her. I'll get into that a little later, but I did receive this wig off of Amazon from a store by the name of MAYTUNE. So make sure you guys check the description box below for the link in case you are interested. But they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So this is their ombre highlighted lace front straight wig, okay? And she is giving me Beyonce. Y'all know, if you are familiar with me, every time I get a hair color like this, it always reminds me of Beyonce, okay? I really love this color combination, and today she's just giving, okay? She is giving. So if you're not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the center, and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and an elastic band. Now, it did have a lace in the front, of course, which you guys saw. I did cut it off for this video, and it has lace in the back, which is still there. Now, this wig did come with baby hairs, which is right here. All I did was swoop them to the side, okay? Nothing else. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this is from the MAYTUNE store on Amazon. This is their ombre highlight straight lace front wig, and the length that I got is 18 inches, and it retails for $84.96. So very affordable for a human hair wig on Amazon, still under $100. All right, so this is a 13x4 lace front wig. Once again, it's an ombre highlight color, which the color is 4/27. So like I said, I absolutely love that color. Let's see what else. It's 180% density, 100% unprocessed straight Brazilian hair. The cap is a medium size, which is 22 to 22.5 inches. And I think that is pretty much it. Of course, if I left anything out, I will leave it down below in the description box, or you guys can just go straight to the link. All right, so as you guys saw earlier in the video, there were a couple of products that I did use to help install this wig. Now, before I get into that, I do want to let you guys know that I did not film the whole process just because of where I'm filming at today, and I needed to go in the bathroom for the, the mirror and all that stuff. One of these days, I'm going to get back to, showing you guys the full process. I'm actually really impressed today because I didn't have any problems with installing her at all. But we will get into that. Now, I did show you guys that I sprayed the lace with my Ebon tinted lace in the color light warm brown. I've been loving this stuff recently. Definitely gonna have to get some more soon. But it has been doing a great job, okay? Like, look at that. It's been doing a great job with blending into my skin and all that. Now, I also use the Ebon Wonderlace Bond Adhesive Spray. This is Extreme Firm Hold, the sensitive one. So I had used this. I sprayed it on my forehead, and then I just took my blow dryer, to get it a little bit tacky. And then I put the wig on and just laid it down. Then, of course, I put the melting band on top to help melt that lace onto my forehead. Now, I also used a little bit of this. This is the Ebon Wonderlace Bond Melting Spray, Extra Mega Hold. This is the original one. So I've sprayed a little bit of that on the lace as well to help, melt it down. Now, as you guys can see, it's this part is not laid down. I'm not too worried about it, actually. This part I did get down, but this part I didn't. But like I said, I'm not too worried about it because I adjusted the adjustable straps. I have the comb in the back end. I have the combs on the side end, and then the elastic band is holding on, really good. Now, of course, I did use my Cantu hair wax, to lay down right here. Then I went over it with my Got To Be spray. And then I did not flat iron it out too much, just a little bit. So I did use my Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protector. I sprayed that on the wig, and then I went over it a little bit with my flat iron. So yeah, this is how she is looking. She is cute. I am loving her. Like I said, I just took that baby hair and just swooped it over here to the side, sprayed that spray on to lay it down. And this is what we got, okay? This is what we got. So I'm gonna show you guys all around. So this is how she looks in the front, side, the back, and the other side. So I like her. I really like her. I'm loving the color. Again, it's 18 inches, but I'm wondering how she would look a little bit longer. I need to check again to see what other lengths they have, because if they have like a 26 inch, I'm gonna have to get her for real, for real. But this is really, really pretty. This color is just absolutely fitting for me, especially when I'm wearing, earth tone shades. Really, really, really pretty. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length. Do you like the straight? Do you like the hair color? Let me know down below. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.